all, hope you are doing very well. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. So the today lesson we're going to implement Google Maps using JavaScript. As you know, we can implement Google Maps for iOS, for Android, for web application. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it. As we can see in here, the first thing you need to go to console.cloud.google, okay, and create for yourself a project. Very straightforward. Click in this and click in new project and just type the name and you go to project. I just create this and this as well. Now after we create the project, you just ensure that you pick the right project from the drop down. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to create a credential. You click here and create API key. Okay, wait little bit, and okay, and you have the key here, which is good. Now the last thing is you're going to go to the library and enable Google Map JavaScript API. Okay, click enable. Of course I already enabled. Just one note here, guys, that you might ask you about the billing information. You just click billing and put your debit card or whatever, and it's not going to charge you anything. Okay, and it will give you $200 as free, and you can try under development and try and you can delete it later on. It's not going to charge you anything. After you enabled, you done with this part. Okay, I will reduce the screen, okay, like this, and we have empty page like this. Cool. So let's go ahead and first of all let's import the library from the Google API. So let's like this, and we need to put the key back here. Okay, go back, credential that we just create this key, copy and go back in here and just paste it. Okay, so far so good. After I put the key, guys, here, as you can see in the URL here, it looking for callback init map. Okay, function init map. So I will put all the JavaScript logic in file. I will call index. Okay, and I will define function init map, and we will do some lovely logic here. So let's alert here if we import this file, check if we import this file correctly, and src index, and let's refresh and we have it. Okay, cool. Now after we have this here, I will call it here. Okay, and yes, that's basically it. Yeah, let's now define the map. Okay, so the first thing, I will create an object for the map. Okay, just like this, google.map like this. Okay, and this bad boy here need a DOM div to render the map. So I will get this by using get, and we don't have this, so let's create this one. Okay, cool. So we have our map here, and this needs second parameter called, I will call this options. Okay, and let's create the options here, and this will contain zoom. Okay, I believe is 14 the maximum, and I need something else, which is center the map, where you want to center the map. Okay, which contain two parts, this and this. Okay, you can grab any coordinates, so I will go here. Okay, and I will pick maybe as the hue, and I grab this here, and I would like this. Okay, cool. So we have something here now. Okay, we have coordinate here, which is good. Okay, and we have our map and we have option. This should be sufficient to get the map. It doesn't get the map. Okay, so we have the index. Yes, we need to style the map. I will create very quickly file css, and I will onboard this file as well, link and style, and I will grab the ID of the map, which is map, right? The ID is this bad boy here. okay, and I will give it height of 400 pixel, and width I need full screen width, okay, and hopefully we get something. Yeah, the zoom, oh, very high the zoom, sorry. And we have something wrong in JavaScript. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have something wrong here. Okay, let's refresh one more. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we have here the map. Okay, I don't know what happened, but yes. So let's make 16 maybe. Yeah, cool. 16 is good. So we have here, we are here in the center of the map, here the center. Okay, so I want to add a marker which can be done very easily. So let's do the marker. Okay, I will define marker and a new Google Maps dot marker, capital here, and this bad boy as well needs something, so you need a position. So position, what is the position? Okay, so this the position. I will maybe go to this one just to grab any coordinate. I will maybe this one. Okay, and yeah, same as we have done in the center of the map, we will do like this. And yeah, so that's basically it here, I believe. Yeah, so here we have okay, yeah, should we, okay, sorry, okay, yeah, so the marker doesn't add the marker because we haven't given the map, so this here, and the map would be map basically. Yeah, cool, we have our bad boy here, the marker here. And yes, if I want to put icon here, okay, icon, so what the icon will be, I will grab icon from Google and come back. Yes, I grab icon from Google and boom, cool, we have this lovely icon. You can put any icon you want. Okay, if I want to add another marker like this and I change the coordinate, of course I will pick this one and I will make this same, voila, and we have two marker. Cool, so far so good, but this not efficient way to do. So I will create a function called add marker, and as a reference I always call this prop. Okay, now I will grab one of this bad boy. Okay, I need the image, I'll keep the image here. Okay, and I will delete this and I will grab this and blah blah blah. So this, the first thing, you need map and I need coordinate. Okay, I will call this coordinate. Okay, coordinate. Okay, cool. Now we need the map. The best thing, the map, I will define the map outside here, the scope, so it can be accessible from any child function. Okay, so we have marker, and let's do what we have to do. Let's pass the prop now, okay, which will contain coordinate. Okay, I'll do it like this, and okay, so we need two things here. Okay, I will grab this for simplicity. Okay, for simplicity I will add like this. Okay, and yes, that's basically it here. So our marker is now hopefully is ready. Okay, and yeah, so marker, so just organize this here, and yes, coordinate like this. Okay, cool, and we have, let's give it icon image as well for this bad boy here. Okay, cool. Now this one will be icon image like this. Okay, cool. So we add the marker here, hopefully we'll have some result. Cool, we have the same result. Now if you want to add another marker like this, okay, I change the coordinate to whatever. Okay, and voila, we have to, if I don't want the image here, okay, I will delete the image to use the default, but this will cause an issue in the function. So what I'm going to do is to delete this part, check if there is an image. I want to set icon for this. Okay, so we should have two markers, one with the image, one, okay, cool, with the default image, with the other one. Okay, now so far so good. I want to click in this to have like maybe info window or something. Yeah, info window. So we're going to define info window. Okay, so I will check if there is content. Okay, if there is a content. Okay, cool. So if there is a content, I want to assign info window for the marker info information. Okay, same, we create an object for the info window. Okay, we need to be so always capital this thing. Okay, and yes, the content here, and we have something here which is this now. Okay, now when I click in the marker, I want to add a listener. Okay, which add listener. Okay, here click and function, and we need to assign a listener, which we have done. Now the information window I need to open. Okay, which map, which this one, which marker, this marker. Okay, now we have here, hopefully is good here. Okay, so I will do something here. I will, without quotation, okay, I will define maybe h1 or h2 or something. You can put what you want here. Okay, I will maybe put like h4. Okay, I will put a hue. Okay, so let's see if this works. Yeah, cool. You see, of course we haven't assigned for this, so it's not going to work. Okay, now this info window like this, which is great. Okay, you can add marker and marker, add marker. Another way to do the marker is to use loop. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay guys, I will do array. First of all, I don't need this. Okay, so let's do array of markers. Okay, and I will define array like this, and this will be the first bad boy here, and the second will be this bad boy here. Okay, and I will delete here. Okay, so we have array of marker. We need to loop. Okay, for I equal to 0, I smaller than maybe array, yes, we need to array length, right? And finally I plus plus. Okay, and we need for var. Yes, now I need to add here. Okay, I want to just pass an object as simple as that, and this will be markers I like this, and we have the same results, more tidy. You can even better if we can grab it here outside the scope. Okay, and yes, will be the same, I believe. Yeah, cool. Yeah, info window, blah blah blah. Cool. The last thing, guys, is we do something extra. Okay, yes, the extra one, I want to click in the map here. I want to create a marker. Okay, so let's go ahead and do just that. So where is the best place to do it? I believe is here. Listen to map, click. Okay, what I'm going to do is attach a listener. Okay, Google dot maps. Okay, dot map, I believe, add listener. Okay, and here same as we have done. So okay, so this, so maps, we need maps dot event dot add listener. Okay, a listener. Okay, and here, okay, cool. So what we're going to do is to attach a function here, okay, where to map object, okay, and a click, and of course we need to attach the function. Okay, I need to receive like event here, okay. So I'm not sure if this will work, so let's give it a try. Cool, it's working. Yeah, cool. And this is what I want. Now I want to call our marker here, our add marker, okay, and pass an object event, which is the Google map. When I click, it give us, and I believe it's like this. Okay, hopefully we'll have something event or not event. Okay, sorry, I maybe let's roll back here. Yes, I forget to put coordinate here. Coordinate, yeah, cool, yeah. So hopefully, yeah, cool. You see, boom, 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 boom. Cool. It's all good, yeah. So yes, as you can see, guys, we have defined the map, we have defined the marker, and that's basically it. Yeah, we put in two files to make our code organized, and the HTML is very clear, as we can see here. And yes, we have just initialized the map, and we have the add marker. And I didn't think we need this init map. Yeah, indeed. Why we don't need this? Because as you guess here, is calling the init map here in this file. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I will do more about Google Maps. And in the next review lesson, I will do the direction, okay, from A to B. And also as well, I will make like icon to move like a car, like Uber animation or something. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.